Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well and are safe wherever you guys are. So today's video is gonna be on 5-in-1 massager. I bought this massager from Amazon. It is also available on Flipkart. So let me show you the massager first, how it comes. It comes in this kind of box, okay? So the massager I bought from the Amazon. It cost me rupees 350 excluding the delivery charges. And now without any further delay, let's open this product and check this out how it looks. So let me show you guys how it looks. It comes in this plastic thing like this, attachments. So let me place the attachment back. So it has the 5 attachments, okay. It has the 5 attachments, okay, and it has the manual also. You can see this. Here is the manual, okay. If you want to know how it works, then you can read this manual. Okay, let me show you the attachments first. Okay, so the first attachment, it has this brush one. You just need to fit these attachments like this, okay. Okay, let me first tell you show you this equipment. It has the off, low, high button, okay. If you okay, first is this off button, then you can run this on the low speed, and then you can raise the speed by pressing this button like this. It will convert to the high level. Okay, so let me show you the attachments one by one. This is the first attachment. This is a brush kind of. It brush looks a little harsh, but in actual it is not. Let me show you how this brush is. See, it's very soft. It will not harm your skin at all. So this is the first attachment. Now it helps to wash your face. You can use this to wash your face, to clean dirt. You just need to put some face wash on this or your face, and just connect this to this equipment like this, and just clean your face using this brush. Now let's move on to the second attachment. The second attachment is this scrub kind of thing, okay. So you can use this on your the skin which is little hard. You can use this attachment over that area to remove the dirt from there. Okay, now let's move on to the next attachment. This is this, what it called, let me check out on the box. This is the latex soft sponge for cheek massaging, eye and cheek massaging. You can use this this attachment, this soft sponge on to clean your under eye or the cheeks. You can use this attachment. Now let's move on to the third attachment. This third attachment is this soft sponge, okay. This you can use to blend your foundation or concealer. You can use this attachment to blend your makeup. So this attachment is used for makeup only, not for the cleansing purpose. Now let's move on to the fifth attachment. Fifth attachment is this let me read this on box. Fifth attachment is this rolling massager. It helps you for the blood circulation. You can use this attachment for the blood circulation. You can use it to massage all over your face, or wherever you want to on your body. Wherever you want to use this, you can use this attachment for the blood circulation. It will help you to rejuvenate your skin. So this attachment is used for this. Also, let me tell you guys, it has this option. It runs with the battery, with the help of battery. So it has this place where you have to, you know, place the batteries. So you have to buy batteries separately. Battery doesn't come along with this product. You have to buy batteries separately to run this product. Okay, so this is all about this product. It will cost you only 350 rupees, as I have already mentioned in a start of the video. So so that's it, guys. This is the review on this 5-in-1 massager. If you want to buy this massager, then you can check out the buy link in description box. You can buy this product from my from the given link available on description. I hope you guys like this review, and if you like this review, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That's it. Bye.